Just getting ready for my live painting. See myself. Hi myself. So I haven't done any painting all week since Friday. Did I come? Yeah, Friday. So that's still there. I'm going to go and change my water. I promised I would. It's not a jug of gravy, as Jake suggested. So I'm going to just dip it down. There we go. Proof that I've done it. Better put it back where it should go. I've just finished my live painting from this morning. If you want to see my live, go and see it. It's on YouTube. No. Yeah, and if you want to join in with a live, I'm live at 7:30 in the mornings, English time. I've said this before. Anyway, go and look. And sorry if you can hear a hum. I've got my heater on because I've got a bit chilly sat here. I wasn't cold. What's the time now? It is 8:30. Yeah, what are my plans for today? I've got some eBay parcels to pack, a vintage parcel to pack, an Etsy to pack. So I'll be going to the post office at some time, or the post box. The weather outside is really shit. That's horrible. It's cold and damp, and I'm hoping that the plastic over the roof is like been blocked in better, so it shouldn't leak so much. So hopefully I won't get a swimming pool in my sitting room again. I'm going to try and put the fire on again down there today to try and dry it out a bit. It's still a bit wet, but no rain came in last night, which is a good thing, so I got paint all over me. Yeah, so paint. I've got my pyjamas on. I've got to get dressed What else am I going to do today? There was something else I've got to do. Oh, it's my big sister's birthday. Happy birthday, big sister. She doesn't watch me, I don't think. I did write down what I've got to do. No, it's mainly just doing post stuff, and I've got a box of goodies that I got from a charity shop. I might go through them actually. Would you be interested in seeing what I bought from the charity shop to sell on eBay? Maybe. So I'll go through the box of stuff that I bought. That was interesting. Not anyway. I'm gonna stop babbling because I'm feeling so much better after feeling ill for like the last 4.5 weeks. Whatever I had was nasty, and it wasn't COVID or anything, unless it was the new COVID that I haven't got a natural flu test. It could have been. I don't know. Who knows, eh? Who knows? We don't want to say the C word anymore because it brings up all stuff on my channel. Don't want that. Anyway, yeah. So, yeah. See you in a bit. Bye. It's so cold in my studio. I've taken to wearing my dry robe whilst editing my videos. It's not good, is it? I haven't done much today. I've been spending it's like 4 o'clock. It's dark already outside, almost, and I haven't done hardly anything all day. I've started listing some stuff on eBay, but I've been on the phone and sorting out solicitor stuff, and because I don't know if anyone knows, we're selling a chip shop with my ex-husband. He's selling it, he's moving on, and I'm still like on the lease, so there's lots of things for me to sign and sort out, and questions to ask, and whether I get my deposit back or not. Things like that. So it's been taken up with that, and my ex is stressing, and then I just ended up blocking him because he was annoying me. He's been a bully. I don't like bullies. Anyway, I was going to show you what I'm listing if anyone's interested. If you like anything that I'm listing here, there's a link to my eBay shop down below, or you can also message me here if you want something, if you suddenly decide you can't cope without it. So I'm a bit chilly. I'm going to put my scarf. It's nice, this scarf. It's made in Japan. So I'm going to sneeze. I'm not. Yes, I am. Anyway, start with this little wood and dish with, I don't know where the camera is on here, with, what are they, lilies of the valley? It's wooden. It's like a tree. What do you call it? A wooden bowl. It's one thing I'm listing. And another little wooden bowl. We've got a theme here. This is made in Indonesia. So I think that's like, I don't know, hand painted or whatever, and it's another handmade one. Indonesia. So, I'm not sure how much I paid for this. It wouldn't be more than £1 or something like that. This I've had for ages because I just like it. It's I can't say her name. Turi design, you know, that sort of is it Finland? Norway. So I think it's a soup bowl. It's really nice. So that I'm going to list that. Some of these will probably still have the prices on. I paid £1 for these two. It says Puna. Puna. I'm not sure how much these are worth. This one hasn't got Puna on it, but it's a similar design. I know they must be worth more than £1, you know. I got this nice embroidered picture that was 50p. It's quite nice. It's in a dark wood frame. That's nice. And this This was, I'm really clumsy, so I'm surprised that anything makes it home. This was £1, and it's another embroidered picture, but it's got like matte glass on it, and it's like a tray, a little tray. I think you put it on your dressing table. It's got little felt back. It's got nice cornflowers. See, I like all these things, but I can't keep them, so I just sell them. There's my infinity. What's the word? I can't think of it. It's a rabbit. It's a gobel one. It's cute, isn't it? From Germany, German rabbit. I'm getting rid of things that my ex-boyfriend bought me. You know, the one that me. Don't want to be reminded of that. Get rid. This is Czech. Little lemon dish. I think it's supposed to have a saucer. It's to squeeze your lemon. I don't know if it had something over the top of it. But I just thought it was cute. And for 10p. Now these plates, they were £1 for 4 of them. I did look them up, and they haven't got any chips on them. They're £1 for the 4. They haven't got any chips, but the gilding's worn off, and they're this one with a proper stamp on somewhere. Yeah, this. I don't know if you can make it out. It's got a special name, the blue stuff. I don't know. But they're worth like more than £1 for sure, for a set 4. And I also picked this up. This is a little trio. What a trio? Saucer, a plate. I think, oh no, that's the sellotape. This little cup and saucer, and it hasn't got any markings on it, but it's really nice. Like Japanese, Chinese, I don't know. Pretty pattern. It's worth more than £1. Well, it is. Well, I don't think so. I've got this. I don't know what I paid for this. I've forgotten. It wouldn't have been more than £2. It's a little dish. But I thought it was nice. I like the dragonflies and the chrysanthemums, and it's just got that on the back. And I've got no idea if anyone knows. Just probably says made in China or something like that. And this is a paid £1 for this. This is a garlic grinder dish, or whatever, lemon zester thing that you can use for garlic or grinder. You know, yeah, so it's a thingy dish. This I thought was really cute. This was 50p, and it's a little handbag mirror with a little miniature tapestry on the back. It's really nice. This plate, I think I just picked it up because I like the carnation on it, and was it carnations for, what's the birth thing, January, so I'm going to put this up because I thought it might make a nice birthday plate for some. But it's had one of those sticky things on the back where you hook it up, and I can't get the sticky off, but it's got that mark on it, so I'm not sure. Most of the plates with this cutting out stuff is like German, but I don't think that's a German mark. No. What else? I think that's it. Is that everything? Yes, it is. Yeah, I've got a big box there, but I don't want to bore you to death with all my stuff. So if you find this interesting and you like seeing what I buy, I'll do some more. Don't forget my eBay links down there. But I'm going to go and list some stuff now, and then think about dinner. I don't know what to eat for dinner this evening. I'll cook for my son and his girlfriend as well. Don't know. Might get a takeaway. Or I don't know. And then I'll go and pick his girlfriend up in a minute because she's bought a Christmas tree. Maybe I should just make her walk home with it. Anyway, I'll see you later.